Hi friends, welcome back to Tech Arena. In this video we will see how to connect mobile to PC using Dell Mobile Connect. First we will see why Dell Mobile Connection only. Dell Mobile Connect provides a seamless wireless integration between smartphones and PC. It will allow us to make calls, send texts and get notifications on our PC. Dell Mobile Connect helps you to stay focused on your work by avoid splitting your attention between your PC and smartphone while working. Another thing, you will be notified about your phone calls, texts, instant messages, and all other third-party app notifications right from PC screen. Quickly and securely drag and drop photos, videos, music, and documents between your PC and smartphone without any complicated cloud storage or connecting cables. Connection is only accessible on the PC when you are present near your PC, and connection never going through the internet or third-party servers. Requirements to use Dell Mobile Connect in your PC. Dell Mobile Connect application will work from Android version 6 and above. It is compatible with iOS 11 and above. Dell Mobile Connect is not supported on Linux or Chrome OS PCs. You can download Dell Mobile Connect app, available on Dell Consumer XPS, Inspiron, Vostro and PCs with Bluetooth, purchased in January 2018 or later. We will see how to connect. First, open Dell Mobile Connect in PC. Or, if not available, download Dell Mobile Connect application in your Dell PC using Store. If it is already installed, you can find application easily by searching in your PC. And, download Dell Mobile Connect APK from Play Store. Open application in PC and mobile to connect. Make sure that Bluetooth turned on in mobile and PC. Complete the pairing process as shown. Enjoy controlling your mobile using PC. Please do subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.